The HiCAD solution for pipeline construction. Pipelines and clamps calculated in ROHR2. With the direct interface to the calculation program, the data are transferred into the program without errors and without additional effort. In this case, to ROHR2 from Sigma. With the transmission file, the program can be started directly. All parts of the pipeline are transferred, complete with log file creation. If the calculation shows too much deformation of the pipeline under load, HiCAD offers a large selection of pipe clamps and pipe supports. The pipe clamp function picks up the outside diameter of the installed pipe and offers the clamps available in the pipe class. The geometric support data are transmitted to ROHR2. After successful calculation, the pipe is itemized automatically. The itemization can be done by assemblies or by model drawings. With the transfer of the product structure to the PDM system Helios, the final bill of materials can be generated. This completes the process chain in HiCAD Pipeline Planning.